Students, today நம்ம பார்க்க போற topic it is gearbox design. So in gearbox design you have many number of steps. So your first step is you want to write the structural formula for the gearbox. You have different types of gearbox: 6-speed gearbox, 8-speed gearbox, 9-speed, 12, 16 and 18. In gearbox design, very first step is you want to write the structural formula for the gearbox. So first we can see how to write the structural formula. So structural formula outline is, this is the formula: n is equal to p1 into x1, p2 into x2 into p3 into x3 into p4 into x4. So it goes up to many number of stages. So this is your first stage, second stage, third stage and fourth stage. So what is meant by n? N is nothing but number of speeds available at the spindle. What is P1? P1 is stage number in the gearbox. So this is first stage, second stage, third stage and fourth stage. What is x1? x1 is nothing but characteristics of the stage. Now, how to write the structural formula for 6-speed? How to write structural formula for 6-speed gearbox? I'll explain with one example. Now we are going to write structural formula for 6-speed gearbox. So what is the formula? N is equal to P1 into x1 into P2 into x2. So initially always you want to assume characteristic of the first stage, that is nothing but x1 is equal to 1. x2 you want to assume it is P1. x3 is nothing but P1 into P2. If it is x4 then it will be P1 into P2 into P3. Now we are going to write structural formula for 6-speed gearbox. So what is the first step means? First you want to write the multiples of 6. What is the multiple of 6? It is nothing but 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. You can write in any one of the way. So first we want to write the multiples 3 into 2. I'll write here. First I'm going to write the multiples 3 into 2. It is nothing but 6. So this is P1 and this is P2. Your next step is you want to write x1 and x2. Now initially what you want to assume? x1 is always 1. So I am writing here it as 1. What is x2? x2 is nothing but your P1. So here P1 is 3. So this is the structural formula for 6-speed gearbox. நீங்க இப்படி structural formula எழுதிட்டு இந்த லாஸ்ட்ல இருக்க டேர்ம் நீங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது 2 into 3 6 னு வரும். So அது என்ன satisfy ஆகணும்னா it should satisfy with the 6-speed gearbox. 2 into 3 னா 6 னு வரணும். This is the one way of writing the structural formula of 6-speed gearbox. Again another multiple என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 into 3 னு எழுதலாம். இப்போ this is P1 and this is P2. இப்போ x1 என்ன, x2 என்ன? x1 எப்பவும் போல 1 னு அஸ்யூம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. x2 என்ன பண்ணனும்? P1 ஓட டேர்ம் அப்படியே நீங்க போடணும். So that is nothing but x2. So 2 into 3 will give 6. So this is the way to write the structural formula for the gearbox. This is your very first step in gearbox design. Now I am going to write it for 9-speed gearbox. 9-speed gearbox க்கு எப்படி structural formula எழுதுறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். First n is equal to, what is the multiple of 9? You can write it as 3 into 3. So ஒரே வழிதான் இருக்கு. 3 into 3 மட்டும் தான் நம்மால எழுத முடியும். So this is nothing but P1 and this is nothing but P2. Now you want to write your characteristics of this stage. Now what is x1? x1 is nothing but 1. Now what is x2? x2 is nothing but P1. So இந்த P1 இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? 3 னு இருக்கு. So கடைசில இந்த 3 into 3 நீங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன டேர்ம் வரணும்? 3 into 3 you should get 9. So that is nothing but 9-speed gearbox. So this is the first step in gearbox design. You want to write the structural formula for gearbox.